Tuesday, April 30th. I'm here out of town in the boonies near in Port Hope, actually. We're going to go in and see a home, small home, which the gentleman was there, deceased for a few days, and it's a difficult situation. He's a hoarder. I'll just give you a little bit of exterior of the home, the property. We're coming up to the front door, and door is locked. Pretty sure it is. We'll find out. Oh, door's open. We're going to go in, take a quick look. As you can see, gentleman's deceased. I believe he died over here on the sofa. Got some bio on the floor with a bit of a mess in the home, a hoarding situation. I guess this is partially where he died in this particular area at this point. I have to establish. Let's carry on. Swipe to the left, the right. Gonna walk down here a little bit, see what we have. Bit messy. You can see there's machines running here because these are air scrubbers because he had a flood in the kitchen area. As you can see, bit messy. Laundry room. Definitely a filth situation from neglect. Leading to the basement area, I believe. Just going downstairs, a bit noisy. Can't see very much right now. Let's see if we can get some light on a little bit later. Let's go upstairs. Not knowing where everything is, I think I'll just leave that alone for now. Very big property, as you might be able to see. Carry on, see if we can find some bedrooms here. Oh, he liked to drink his beer. Absolutely. Let's see. You can see the bathroom. Neglect. Diapers everywhere. Non-functioning washroom. Here we are, I guess an office area, more beer, more junk, and a very unclean environment. Proceeding to the master bedroom. As you can see, big neglect, bit of odor, and I guess pretty much needs to be dealt with. More diapers, pile of diapers, you see that? And we'll just go check the other bedroom. I guess this is the guest room. So, just a bit messy, bit of hoarding, not terribly bad, but bad enough that it needs to be dealt with. And once again, it's proceeding out.